Ciao a tutti, bentornati a Learn Italian channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned nouns. There was also a question. Which gender is the noun bambino? A. Masculine, B. Feminine. The correct answer is A. Masculine. In today's lesson, I will show you the plural nouns. Let's start. I will use Italian alphabet to explain the lesson. In Italian, the nouns might end in O, in A, or in E. The nouns ending in O are masculine gender. To make the plural form of masculine nouns, you need to change the ending O to E. For example, libro, libri, ragazzo, ragazzi, albero, alberi, zaino, zaini, pneumatico, pneumatici. The nouns ending in A are feminine gender. To make the plural form of feminine nouns, you need to change the ending A to E. For example, finestra, finestre, ragazza, ragazze, donna, donne, amica, amiche, infermiera, infermiere. The nouns ending in E can be either masculine or feminine gender. To make the plural form, you need to change the ending E to E. For example, classe, classi, bicchiere, bicchieri, studente, studenti. Now let's see the summary of this lesson quickly. In Italian, the nouns might end in O, in A, or in E. To make the plural form, you need to change the endings of the nouns. The ending O changes into E. The ending A changes into E. The ending E changes into E. Now I have a quiz for you. What is the plural form of tazza? A. Tazzi, B. Tazze. You will find out the answer in the next lesson. In the meantime, you can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can also leave comment there. My Instagram is learn_Italian20, where you can find also the slides of this lesson. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach some adjectives in Italian. Grazie, a presto!